Hello everyone, I hope you have a good time. In this video I'm going to showing you how to change a Corvette personal stopper to moderate personal stopper, like this picture. If you see in this picture, the person is Corvette on in before and after it's changed to a moderated personal stopper. With Adobe Photoshop, just follow me in the first step, going to Adobe Photoshop and click open and getting Corvette personal, and here going to the toolbar and getting the quick selection tool and selecting the layer or subject, personal subject. And now press the Ctrl and J on your keyboard and go to file, click and new, and select default Photoshop size and create. And now turn to the first project and move the layer to the second project. And now go to the select, go to the subject and wait when selecting the subject. And now in here, focus with me, don't click here, okay, just click at the picture in here, icon picture, right click and select pixel, and now go to edit, click the puppet warp, and now click here and here and here, so make like me, okay. And now just go to the points and move the personal, okay, to moderating it. You can add it a more point just for editing, okay. So now you can see it's moderated. And now go to the toolbar and get moving tool, and just you can move and resize, okay, for showing the down toolbar, and you can change, okay, like me, you can see now. So you can save this project from your files or your computer and sharing with another people's. So this video is come to end. I hope if you love this video, don't forget like and share for another people's learning it, and subscribe my channel to see more new videos and next time. So thank you for watching, goodbye.